Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the OneDrive desktop client and that you have enough storage. This prevents mid-sync failures. Once signed in, make sure the client is installed or updated and enable files on demand if you want placeholders for space savings. Then create or choose the exact local folder you'll sync and note its size and subfolder layout so you can plan selective syncing and avoid transferring unnecessary files. Next, open the OneDrive settings and connect or add a folder by using the Account tab and the Choose Folders dialog. This lets you map which local folders sync to the cloud. Once done, select only the subfolders you need to reduce bandwidth and local storage usage, and make sure to configure upload and download limits if you're on a metered connection. Finally, set how conflicts are handled so the client knows whether to keep both copies or prefer newer files. To finish, watch the OneDrive icon until it reports sync complete, and then cross-check the OneDrive web interface to verify every expected file is present. This confirms end-to-end transfer. If you hit errors, check for invalid file names or overly long paths and rename or shorten them to fix failures. If problems persist, restart the client, sign out and back in, or reset OneDrive. But make sure you have local copies saved first so nothing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.